Hi dear friends, my parcel arrived and I'm happy to go and take my new materials from BeeBeeCraft. Let's see what I will have inside. And now I'm home, ready to unpack my parcel. There is inside materials from BeeBeeCraft online store. You can check their website here. And they give to all my subscribers discount by applying promo code DaisyQ10. So enjoy your 10% discount and let's dive in and see what I have received from them. I have here second camera for better looks from the both sides, so I can show you straight away materials in the closer look in the camera here. So let's dive in and open. As always, I like this sound. So it's packed quite nice, just a simple bag, and they wrote here and they send me a packaging list, so what I have chosen from their website. So let's see. Here are stones what I have ordered, and I really hope they are and they will be nice quality, because my idea is to create beautiful tutorial with this stones. Let's open it. They look quite nice. They are in different sizes. Hopefully I will manage to find two stones of the similar color and size. I really like the stones. Those are real. Now they are very popular. Already for a few years these kind of stones are really nice. Beautiful stones that can match my future earrings. Okay, I see these two are nice. These two are really nice. Very nice. Beautiful. It's a pity they don't have yellow anymore, just one, because with yellow it would be even better. And this gold is beautiful as well. Look at this stone. How I like this kind of stones. And yellow. This is the pity that I don't have these two colors, because for sure I would go for gold earrings or for yellow earrings. That would be nice. But maybe I can, you know what I can do? I can make earrings, but different earrings. Why not? Look, it will suit me perfectly. I think it would be a nice idea. So what else? These two stones are similar. Okay, but another thing, we have two. These two as well, beautiful. Here are gold, but this is smaller. But I will think of something nice. Oh, here is another gold. Yep, and this, oh, this color is amazing. This color is amazing. So I might order next time. First time when I order some new materials, I always prefer to order mix, like I did here. As you can see, yes, there is a different colors of the stones. And why I do it? Because, for example, now from here I see my favorite colors, what I would use a lot. And next time when I will decide on earrings or on the model what I want to create, I will just order only one specific color what I will use, because like that, when you have mix, you always have a choice and you can understand how really in the real life these materials look like. The same as here, I ordered my favorite Zircon Stones in different colors. I use them a lot, almost in every brooch and earrings. So let's open it. But I see the quality is very good for these Zircon Stones, and I like the colors as well. Let's open. Wow! No, yes. Wow! It's nice. I like this. Look at 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 this beauty. Look at this beauty, shining bright like a diamond. Look how beautiful. when I have collaboration with some of bead shops, like today I have BeeBeeCraft collaboration, I always, if they have, I always order this kind of stones, because I know that I will use them for sure, and they mostly are in a good and beautiful quality. So thank you BeeBeeCraft, this I will use a lot. Same with these beautiful stones. Yeah, look how beautiful. Yeah, I really love all these beautiful stones. Look, and I like that they are real stones. They are not just glass or plastic. They are real stones. As you understand, I like real stones, so here I ordered as well from their shop pearls in interesting shape. I will leave all the links for the materials what I showed today and what I purchased from their shop. I will leave all the links below this video, and don't forget you will have 10% discount for your order, so it's nice to try out new materials as well, and maybe you will find your one-stop shop. So let's open our pearls. I don't actually remember the name of them, but I will write it here. What's the name of these pearls? Let's open. I think on the website they looked a bit darker than here, but it still look nice. Let's try to see it better, what kind of hole it is. Understand that I can use these pearls in my creations, like for example like earrings. So first what I do always, it's I will take eye pin or head pin, what I use always for my earrings, and I want to check will this pin fit inside the stones and inside the pearls. It's very important. The pearl, it fits perfectly, so it's very nice. I will check another one, maybe I will check another pearl as well. Yes, as you can see, it's working for these pearls, this kind of pins, so which is very good, because sometimes when you purchase this kind of beautiful pearls, the problem is that pin is not going inside the pearl, and that's the problem, because then you have to take thinner pin, for example, but thinner pins are not so secure like if you take a bit thicker pin. So this for me is a good news, because I will use these pearls in the earrings or like a pendant as well. Let's check now our stones. Inside the stones it fits just perfectly, very easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's see again, another stone. Oh, this yellow my favorite. BeeBeeCraft, you have to create this kind of strand only with yellow gold and I think this pink red will be perfect, or you can mix these three colors. Well, this would be just a bestseller, I think. And here as well, perfect fit. So okay, these pearls are amazing as well. Then what we do next, I will open hoops. That is the idea for me for next tutorial. What I will do for BeeBeeCraft, it is to create beautiful earrings using these hoops, pearls or these stones, and to show you idea how you can use all these beautiful materials. Let's open. It's gold-plated jewelry. I really like when it's real gold-plated. And I have a packet here. I decided on this hoop because they have two loops. On the top I will attach a hook, and inside I want to attach or pearl or this rose stone. And I think it will be very interesting. But that's not all for my upcoming tutorial, because I want to make it with the fringe, and I've not decided yet on the color. But I think it will be very interesting tutorial, or with the fringe or just with some seed beads around this hoop. It will be very beautiful. So let's see, will our pearl be good for inside? You see, this one is too big, for example, but in this strand I have here smaller pearls. so it might fit. But my idea was to put inside this raw stones. Can you imagine how beautiful it will be? Here, yes, this one is perfect. So for earrings, you see, these two will be perfect, 3 will be perfect. So I will think of something very, very beautiful for you. So I'm very looking forward, and most probably I already today will sit down and create one earring, and my members will see it very, very soon on the posts or members only shorts. So if you are interested of behind the scenes, you are welcome to my membership. If you will decide to join Creator and Hire, you will get members only video access, and it will be amazing. Trust me, I am working all the time on new beautiful tutorials, useful online courses, and my idea is to put my online courses, what I will create in the future, on the Creator and Hire. All the information below. But here I see one thing what I'm not really sure of the quality of these studs, because how I see, they came to me banded, and I'm not sure I will be able to sell, for example, these earrings with this kind of stud, but we'll check. Maybe I'm mistaken. As you can see, they are banded, you see, maybe they need to have another packaging, then it won't be a problem. But for now I see that it's banded and it's a bit soft. So, because my idea was to use them in the earrings, what I will create, but it's not so bad, but I prefer when this comes like a straight away, but actually it's not bad. The wire, the stud, isn't so soft, but we'll see, because my idea was to take the stud, put it here, you see, and then create the earring. But yeah, I thought it will be worse, but no, it's not so bad as I told before. So let's see another package of earring studs. I hope this will be better, because I see the packaging here is better than previous one. Yes, you see, this came to me straight. They are not banded, you see, the stud is straight and all of them are straight, as you can see. So this I like. I will prefer this instead of previous ones, but they are not bad as well. I like the surface of these earrings, and actually if you bend it back a bit, it's not bad as well. Price is not so expensive, but the look is very nice. So for you, if you are beginner, if you want to start to create simple earrings and you want to find something affordable, but in the meantime in the good quality, so this is not bad idea for it. But I would go for this, because as I told you before, they are not banded anywhere. They packed much better than previous earring studs, and I think I will use these beautiful studs for my upcoming tutorial for BeeBeeCraft. So what else I have received? I have received pins, brooch pins, yes, because I use them a lot, because I create brooches obviously. So, and I wanted to find something for you as well, like a one-stop shop where you can buy this, everything like what you need in one shop. I'm always looking for this kind of shops, because it's, for me, it's even easier as well, where I can not, for example, buy something there, but I can find one shop where I can buy all materials in affordable prices and in the good quality. So let's open our pins. So how I always check the brooch pins, it is, I open them and I always check this part where the needle is holding, and of course I check always the needle, that it's sharp. These are not bad as well, but as you know, I prefer to use Japanese pins, but for some brooches I still use this kind of brooch pins. They are still good, but they don't have a protector like some of other pins have. But in the meantime, the size what they have here, it's perfect for small brooches like I create on my channel. And if you want to start with something, I would go for this kind of pins, because I saw in my life a lot of different pins, and this is not the bad option for your creations. What I want to say, I'm quite happy with these materials what I have received from BeeBeeCraft. Don't forget you have 10% discount by using promo code DaisyQ10 on their website, and of course use the links below this video to visit their website to check all the materials they have. They have lots of materials. You just saw a small part what I choose for myself, and I'm very happy with the purchase. I can say I am happy, 95% happy. 5% I will give only for these studs that they came a bit bended. The quality is not bad as well, but it's my honest opinion. I don't like to lie to my subscribers. So, but mostly yes, mostly 95% I'm happy with my purchase. And of course stay tuned, because soon on my channel I will create tutorial using these beautiful materials.